Hi, boys and girls. Today we have Johnny helping us again. He's going to teach us about shapes.
Okay. So, you guys get your papers from your teachers, and then I will help you with one side, and Mrs. Stewart's going to help you with the other side. Okay?
Okay, so let's look at the first shape. What is that, Johnny?
That is a triangle.
And how?
It has three sides.
Oops.
Oh. 3 sides and 3 corners. And the sides of the circle, which is the name, has 0 sides because you see it doesn't have any of these. So yeah, and then there are also 0 corners. And then we go into the rectangle, which has, you guessed it, 4 sides and 4 corners. Because technically, a rectangle is a square. And you know what it is. And then this is hard.
It's an octagon.
It's an octagon.
So how many sides and corners does an octagon have?
8 corners.
And then how many? So that's 8 sides. How many corners?
I meant to say 8 corners.
8 sides. But what do you notice about the sides and the corners? What do you notice? If it has 8 sides, how many corners is it going to have?
Probably 8.
Yeah, so the sides and the corners are the same. Okay.
And then Mrs. Stewart is going to do the other side for you guys.
So on the square, Johnny was saying that all squares are rectangles because rectangles have 4 sides. But all rectangles are not squares because squares' sides have to be equal. So there's 4 sides on a square and 4 corners. Just like the
rectangle.
Okay, so this one is the pentagon because it has 5 sides. So it's going to have 5 corners. Do you remember what the one's called that has 6?
Hexagon.
Yep, so 6 sides and 6 corners. The last one is called a parallelogram. It's a lot like a square and a rectangle.
But instead, it's like it's basically a square just tilted.
Yeah, it's just tilted a little bit. Good. Okay, so the back side is a lot like the one we did yesterday. So I'm going to help you with the colors. If the answer is 6, it's yellow. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Johnny was just moving. If it's 6, it's yellow. If it's 7, it's purple. 8 is orange. And 9 is green. Okay, so let's look at the first one, Johnny. What's 12 minus 6?
That would equal 6 because it's a doubles fact.
Yep, so
I don't know if you guys learned already.
Yeah, we're gonna color.
Doubles fact are 6 plus 6 because they're the same number equal one thing.
Yep. Okay, so
but that's for another day.
13 minus 6 is what color?
13 minus 6. That's gotta be 7.
So it's purple.
Yeah.
And 11 minus 2, what's that one?
9.
So it's going to be what color?
Green.
Good. And then, boys and girls, you can finish the rest on your own. Good job today.